What do you do when your Epson printer starts blinking the paper jam light, telling you there's a jam? You open the printer, look around, hoping to find a tiny piece of paper somewhere, but there's nothing. If that sounds familiar, this video will help you fix that fake paper jam issue. The first and most important step, turn off your printer. Wait until the power light is completely off. Now open your printer. Your model may open differently, but the repair method is the same. Once it's open, you need to move the printhead. Push the printhead to the right side. Then rotate the gear on the left side counterclockwise a few times. This unlocks the printhead mechanism. Now you can slide the printhead to the center. To remove any tiny pieces of paper that might be stuck inside, start turning this gear upward. It's connected to the paper rollers that move the sheet during printing. Keep turning it. If there's paper trapped anywhere, it will start to come out. If the paper becomes visible but still won't move, use the second method. Look deeper into the paper tray area and gently press this part. This is the paper guide. Pressing it helps release any paper that's jammed. Keep pressing the paper guide while pulling the stuck paper with your other hand. Turn the gear upward again to check for any remaining small paper pieces. Now close the printer, then turn it back on. If you see both lights turn red but not blinking, just press the black copy button once. Alright, now let's test it. Did the method work? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.